There is a primary consumer known to hop around captured in this photo. Can you find it before time is up? Time's up. Did you find it? The bunny is here, but let's zoom in. Thanks for playing. Stick around for the rapid science lesson with Mr. Kirby.
Hey scholars, I live in a deciduous forest surrounded by many organisms. I came across this rabbit while doing yard work. Rabbits are primary consumers or herbivores since they get energy by eating only plants. Rabbits adapt to their environments by hiding in dense vegetation that can provide shade and insulation, helping them regulate their body temperature in hot or cold weather. Not only are they surrounded by their food supply, but rabbits are also able to survive longer if they stay hidden from any predators, animals like foxes or hawks that use rabbits as their own source of energy. Thanks for watching. Tag a friend to participate in this rapid ecosystems lesson.